Hello, year one. Welcome to your lesson for today. Your math lesson for today's learning objective is to count in twos. So let me start by telling you what the learning objective for today's lesson is: to be able to count in twos. Ordinarily, we count in order or in sequence from numbers one, and then we move on to two and three and four and five until we get to whatever number we wish to count to. But we want to take our learning further in this lesson by looking at how to count in groups, in lots, or in sets. So if you wish, you can say counting in groups of twos, in lots of twos, or in sets of twos. So this is the story. What can you see on my screen? Did you say a car? Yes, it's a car and it's a yellow car. But I want you all to look closer or closely. Can you find anybody in the car? I'm sure you all said no. You are so smart. So this car is going on a trip or a journey, as you wish, and all the people that will be taking this trip will be going in sets of twos. Would you help me count this group of people at different times to see how many go at a time and how many sets of two will make a particular or given number? Lovely. I know you'll be able to do this conveniently. So let's start. There are two people in each car. Let's count in twos. I have I have just one car, and I have two people in this car. So I'm not gonna be starting from one because I already have two. I'm going to start by saying the number two because there are two people in this car. Let's go on to find out what number will come next if we have another car and another group of two. Are you ready to see that? Great job. Let's find out. Good. So that's our highway. We're going to pretend the number line is our highway. Don't forget we're going on a trip. So one car has two people. Can you see? Two. On my number line, I haven't started counting from the number one because already I have two people in the car. So the number two has been highlighted on my number line. My first count when I count in groups or sets of two will be two. Would you like to guess what number I will say when I bring on my next car as I move on to make this trip or on this journey with my other set of two? Think about it for a moment before I bring on my next group. Great job, year one. Now look, I've got two cars. What is two lots of two? Or two groups of two? Or two sets of two? Now the yellow car has two, so I counted two. I skipped the number three because I am not counting in order or in sequence. I'm counting in groups of two. So right after my two, I skip two and I move on to the number four because my pink car has two people in it. Can you see? One, two, three, and four. So when I count in sets of two, I hop onto two, I skip the number three, and I hop onto the number four. So I have two, and I have, right after two, I have the number four. And when you count the number of heads in the car, you'll find out that I've got four people, two in each car. Can you count with me? Two and four, right after I count the number two because I have skipped the number three to count four. When I count in twos, I skip count because my counting is in sets of two. Let's try it again. Two, four. Now I'd like you to think for a minute. What number will come next when I add on a car to skip count in twos. Do you think the next number will be 5 or 6? Think about it. Excellent if you said 6. So now how many cars can you see? Let's count the cars. I have 3 cars. In each car, I have 2 people. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But because I'm counting in twos, I'm not going to count 1, 2, 3. I will go 2, 4. Can you look at where the wheel is? 6. The wheel on the blue car is on the number 6, so that helps me with my counting in sets of 2. Count to tell what number will 2 lots of 3 be. Lots of is the same as sets of or groups of 3. So let's go 2, 4, and 6. So the trick is always look at the wheel of where the last card that has been displayed is positioned. That tells you the next number that should come when you count in sets of twos. Now let's have a look at what number will come next after 6. Don't forget, your thinking should always lead you to where the wheel on each car is positioned. That's how we do this. So let's go 2, 4, 6. Where can you find a wheel on the purple car position? Look over here. What's this number? Did you say 8? Amazing. That's fantastic. You were right. So the next number or the next count after 6, which is the blue car, will be 8 because the purple car's wheel is positioned on the number 8. So let's do this together. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Well done, year 1. You are super good at this. Now let's see what number we come next after the number 8 as we count in sets or groups of 2s. Are we all ready now? Okay, let's go again to 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and what's this number? I can't hear you. Can you say it loudly? 10. Amazing. How did you know the next number after 8 when you count in twos is 10? How did you know that? Did you see we looked at the wheel where the added car is positioned? Yes, then you got that right. So the green car's wheel is positioned on the number 10. So that tells you 10 should be your next count after the number 8. Now let's do it together. Look at all the cars, look at the wheels where it's positioned for each color of car and count on in groups of 2 as we tag along. Let's go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Brilliant, excellent thinking. I see you're doing well with your meta thinking. Your thinking brain is helping you coordinate and move on to the next level. Now, I want you to think some more and look at what we have done. Can you see the pattern we have followed? Looking at the cars wheel, different colors, position on the number line to lead us in counting as we count in sets of 2. Now, what number do you think the next count will be as I bring on a different color of car to help us count in sets of 2? You want to guess? Okay, I didn't hear the right number, so I'm going to help you bring on the next card. Close your eyes, everybody. Open your eyes. Beautiful. So what number can you see that should be the next count? I've got a brown car up there now. What's this number? Did you say 12? Lovely. So let's all go back to yellow car. Don't forget, use the wheels to guide you in counting in sets of 2. Let's go, everybody. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. You will observe that we always keep a number in order to be able to count on from the next number that is correct when we count in sets of twos or groups of twos or lots of two. And I want you to keep those words in your mind. Groups of twos, lots of twos, or sets of twos. Each time you skip count, you will always have groups or lots or sets as your vocabulary word. Excellent, year one. Let's do again. Stop from this. We're not counting from 0. We're not counting from 1. We're counting from 2 because we begin the count in twos. So the first number we will start counting from should be the number 2 because our sets or lots or group is 2. So let's go. Use the different colors. Look at the position of the wheels. Look at the numbers that align with each color of car and help me in counting. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Brilliant. Brilliant. I'm going to ask you to close your eyes again. Everybody close your eyes quickly, 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 quickly. Close your eyes. Well done, everyone. Open your eyes now. Let's go. Now I've got a purple car. So let's count from 2 to find out what number comes next after 12 when we count in sets or groups of 2. Let's go, everybody. Remember, we never start counting from 1. We never start counting from 2 on our number line because we're counting in twos. We will always count from 2, which is the set, group, or lots in which we're counting today. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What number should come after 12? Look closely. What's this number? Did you say 14? Amazing. You are so smart. 14. Excellent, everyone. So let's see what number will come after 14. I'm going to allow you guess. If you said 15, we will see. If you said 16, let's see if you got that right. Close your eyes again. Don't beep. Well done, everyone. Now let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Well done, everybody. So right after 14 is the number 16. You're doing a great job. Let's keep moving. Now let's try 2 lots of 9 or 2 groups of 9. Let's go, everybody. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Amazing. That's a great effort you all are putting in. You would like to guess what number will be the next count after 18? Okay, close your eyes. Look at my number line, everyone. Great job, everyone. So what's the number right after 18? What's the number? Do you like to count with me? Let's count, everyone. Don't forget, always look out for where the wheels on each car rests or is positioned. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Lovely. Now, will you like to try counting alone? You will have done an excellent job, and I'm so proud of you. So now, on your whiteboards, just try on your whiteboard, draw to show me 2 lots of 4 on your whiteboards. That means 2 groups of 4. You have 30 seconds to do that quickly, and I'm going to have a quick look at your work, and then I'll get back to you quickly, everyone. You've done so well. I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing, and I'm going to see you in the next lesson. Thank you, Year 1A. It's been amazing having you in class today. Bye.